Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be kicking it back to like the old school YouTube days, and I'm gonna be doing a what's in my purse video. Now looking back, at least here on my channel, I haven't done this in at least 6 years, and those used to be like my favorite videos to watch because one, I'm nosy, soy chismosa. I love to see what other people have in their purses, and I used to be one to carry a very big purse. So I will leave those old videos down below because I think I have maybe like 2 or 3 what's in my purse videos. So yeah, if you guys want to see what it is, actually I have to show you my purse first. So first off, I want to say that usually I will switch out between this purse, which is from Amazon, and I will link it down below, or from my ultimate prized possession, which is my Louis Vuitton. I worked literally so hard for that bag, and I wanted something that I could use at a formal occasion, at a casual occasion, so that is one of my go-to favorite bags. But I do try to preserve it a little, so I don't use it all the time. So I was looking for something small, and I found this one on Amazon. It doesn't come with like this, it's just literally the bag. It's just one of those that has the really thick strap, and then the little like pouch. I know there's a designer bag, but honestly I just wanted a beige version, and so far since I've bought it, I have no complaints. This is literally like my go-to bag. So again, I did add a couple things to it. I added this little chain that is also from Amazon, which I love, and I've gotten compliments on it. And then I also added this little daisy charm thing. Sometimes it is a little noisy. I am thinking of putting it onto my car keys just because it does make a lot of noise, but so far I love it. I think it's cute, and I think it just goes really cute with really any outfit. The quality of this bag is way better than what it cost me. I know they have different versions, different colors, but as you can see, this is like the more like nude beige kind of color. If you want to see what's in my little Amazon purse, go ahead and keep on watching. First off, in this pouch, the main reason why I wanted a bag with a pouch is because at work I do use my AirPods, and if I'm in the car or if I'm like about to drive, I need these to be on hand. So there's nothing worse than having to like rummage through your bag. So those go right in this pouch. I'm gonna put this to the side just because, again, it jingles a lot. This bag does have a lot of space, and it does fit a lot of things. And let me just say, I used to be someone that was an avid big bag holder, always big bags. Even up to last year, I was still using like my Coach bag, which is a lot bigger. And again, I've always been someone that carries probably way more things than I need in my actual purse, but it doesn't matter to me. Like, I will carry it. And I think I was maybe 13 when I started carrying a purse, if I'm not mistaken. I remember it was like a Snow White bag. But anyways, I do have probably way more things that I need in here, and I also try to organize it maybe every 2 weeks just because it can get a little crazy. So first off, my work keys. This ring that is very convenient from when I'm at work. I like to just slip this on my wrist, and obviously, you know, your girl loves anything iridescent, so it's iridescent. It is like an acrylic material, but I have no complaints so far. And then I have obviously my work keys, and then I have this little thing, which you're probably wondering what is that. It is, oh my gosh, it is, oh my gosh, I almost dropped that. It is just a little knife, because at work I do have to open up a box once a week, and I can't find scissors sometimes, so I figured I should just order like a little knife I can just use to cut open boxes. So yeah, that is basically what is on my work keys. I literally carry these every single day of my life. I usually also have my car keys in here, but I actually haven't left my house yet, so they're hanging over in my living room. Next thing that I always, literally will always carry with me is an external battery. This can literally charge anything, my phone, my AirPods, literally anything. There's nothing worse than being caught with a dead phone, and the amount of times I have saved someone from their phone dying with this charger, insane. I do have to purchase another one because for some reason I tried to charge it last night and it didn't charge, so I might have to order another one, but this one is like my ultimate favorite, and I love it. Okay, the next thing, I have my engagement present, and no, I'm not engaged, but I call this my engagement present because when my sister and brother-in-law were getting engaged, obviously she didn't know, they went to the outlets in Carmel, and she bought this wallet for me on her engagement day, so I call it my engagement present. But anyways, this is just my wallet. Again, it has like my Venmo card, my medical insurance, credit cards, driver's license, car insurance, shout out AAA. I have all that in my little wallet. I believe it's just like a little Coach card wallet. The next thing I always have, because one, this was from before COVID, but washing your hands literally dries my hands out at least. And so I've always had lotion in my hands. Again, I'm someone who has always been very religious about washing her hands. Shout out to my parents for teaching me how to be a clean person, but I always have some sort of lotion in my purse. This one's just one that I picked up at Walmart. It kind of smells like an old lady. But anyways, I like it. It does absorb very well in my skin, but I think I like, there's another brand that I like better. There's another one that I like better than this, so I don't recommend that one. I usually always have some sort of like breath mint, gum. I have a lollipop, mainly because when I take my allergy medicine, my throat gets very dry. And so sometimes if I don't want to be like constantly sipping on water, having something like this will literally always save the day. So anything like this, Tic Tacs, gum, what else do I usually carry? Yeah, anything like that, any kind of like small little candy I will usually have. I also always carry little contact re-wetting eye drops, just because I'm not always wearing my contacts, and especially when I'm at work, I always wear my glasses because I'm on the computer most of the day. But I never want to forget these when I am wearing my contacts, so I just always make sure when I switch them into my purse. So I have like one on my desk, one in my purse, one on my vanity. Literally have one everywhere. And then lastly, the amount of lip products I have in here, and that's the main reason why I have to clean this out all the time. We've got 1, we've got 2, we've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and usually I always carry a lip liner in here, but again, this is something that I have to clean out all the time. So let me show you what I usually have in here, like on the daily, like without a doubt this will be in my purse. So I have the Burt's Bees Lip Shimmer in Peony. My mom actually gave me this. This is one of my favorites. It adds kind of like a nude tint, but it's a chapstick, so I like this. The next one is the Vaseline Rosy Lips. This is my favorite, especially during like fall, winter, because my lips get so dry. But yeah, this is definitely a favorite. It does add like a little bit of a rosy tint, but I guess that's why it's called Rosy Lips. Then I have the chapstick version, and also in the cocoa butter version, and I think this duo I bought it at Dollar Tree, and again, these are like my favorite. Moisturize your lips amazingly. The last like chapstick kind of product I have in here is the Ilia Arabian Nights, which it looks really dark, but it is literally a tint. I will normally always have a gloss in there. These are just 3 of my favorites. They're all I think they're literally the same brand. They're all Makeup Revolution. They're the Pout Bombs. These 2, one is in the clear. This is supposed to be clear, but obviously I use it with those chapsticks, so it's going to turn a little bit rosy. And this is actually in like a nude color. These are all my favorites. This is in the shade Candy. This is in the shade Glaze. And then recently, I'm a fan of Love Island. They came out with like a Love Island collection at Walgreens, I believe. So this one is called Water Bottle. And again, it's just a clear gloss, but I just thought the packaging was cute and I like Love Island. And then I also have a couple lipsticks in here. I'm not going to mention them just because they always switch out depending on like what I've done to my lips. I will usually just pop whatever lipstick I'm using into my purse, along with a lip liner. Most of the time my lip liner will always be Malibu by Kylie Cosmetics. The sad thing is I don't think they sell it anymore, so I'm going to have to look for a new favorite. And finally, last but not least, if it's not in my pocket, it's always in my purse, and that is my phone. Cases from Amazon. But yeah, this is just my phone, and again, I always will have that either in my pocket. Most of the time it's in my purse. If not, it's like sitting on my desk somewhere. So yeah, that is basically the gist of what is in my purse. Again, I will have the links to most of the stuff I have in my purse if I can find it down below. Again, none of them are affiliate links, they're just links to make it easy on you in case you want to try to find something. If there's any other videos that you would like me to do, go ahead and leave those requests down below. Again, you can find me on my social media is at biancalizet. And yeah, I will see you all next time. And again, if I don't post on here, go check out like TikTok or Instagram. I'm usually a little more social on there. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye. Gosh, it is so hot. Then I have the lipstick. Whoa. Tell you what, it is so hot. Wow. Miss me on. Literally so hot. Oh my gosh. Do I need like a gloss? Y'all, I really want to go see Bad Bunny. Imagine a Bad Bunny video. No, like a Bad Bunny vlog. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video. Gosh, it is so hot. You don't understand. I turned off the fan and the air conditioner. Now I'm just gonna put all of this back into my purse because I actually have to go to work.